I do have a possibility for a rock star. Okay, so that's a naked rock star. I won't trade this. Only because of my rules. It doesn't mean that I don't believe price isn't going to go up. But my rules say 5 ticks or less from this low of the day, and it was like 8 ticks. But there are many traders here that will trade this. I just have a little bit more strict rule that to take a naked Rockstar trade, and it was naked because I was 8 ticks away from this low of the day, so that, and it had to be 5 or less, or this bar needed to be oversold, or have a pullback alert on it. And none of that happened. So this was not a setup for me, but a lot of our traders will take this. All right, so that's a rock star, not a naked rock star because it's got a minor resistance behind it. So it still qualifies as a rock star setup. So I shorted it and then it backed up and I got a better fill on it. Yes, I didn't used to, but I do now with the rock stars and naked rock stars. I tested the heck out of that, and it'll bust right through it. +5. So we had this push up, rock star here, and as it opened, it jumped up. So I got filled right here. Had some of that freight training. Okay, so there's still a little bit of push left in it, but then it finally was able to slow down and turn the corner. But this is what they did here. Got a strong momentum. All right, went from black to gray to medium to almost white. Speed tick. We have no support here. So to trade this as a naked rock star, they qualified it with this pullback alert right here. Because this bar had a pullback alert on it, this qualified as a naked rock star setup. So the entry was on the open of this bar, and it was a buy and a nice winner.